Hey there everybody in Internet Land, David Adams here with Budget Audiophile, and please forgive the terrible lighting situation. We've had a couple of requests to have a sound demo, and I didn't really understand how I could capture that with a phone, so I didn't really want to try it with the phone. But I did get an idea. You can adjust the gain settings in a calibration file for the UMIC 1. So I went ahead and I just kind of hacked the UMIC 1, and that was it. So we have the calibration set for that. We've got about a 70% under 1 for full gain. So this is just going to be a quick, dirty video, a little rambly in the start. But people want to know what it was like, what the sensation was like in a theater with, you know, 9 subwoofers, 318s, 315s, and 312s. I've got the SPL meter set up over here. We're going to run a quick demo. I'm going to put the max hold on, and we're going to see what we max out at. Got Godzilla queued up on Voodoo, the new Godzilla, King of Monsters, queued up on Voodoo. I've got the SPL meter set up right there at about head level. It's a little taller than head level. And then I've got the UMIC set up right at ear level. So this should be fun. I'm going to go ahead and press play, and let's see what happens. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, that is insane. Let's fast forward to the earthquake.
It's gonna work.
That don't make no damn sense.
Meet Titanus Mosura, or as we like to call her,
Mothra. Incredible.
Activating containment grid.
I jumped a little.
What's happening?
Wow.
something's really wrong here.
Oh my God.
Stand down. I repeat, stand down. You are scaring her.
Oh, dear God. Whoa, the camera moved. Okay, so yeah, we got 124 on the SPL meter. That's at minus 17 on the AVR. Minus 17, 124 decibel. So when we're really cranking on it, we're hitting 127. I think if I wasn't losing so much electricity, I can get 128, 129 at those same volumes, but we are dipping way down in the electricity. But it is wild, guys. 124, that is absolutely insane. That's so much fun. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, David Adams with the Budget Audiophile. If you have any other ideas where you want to see the SPL meter, the screen, and get some sound demos with the UMIC, hopefully it's not clipping too badly, and hopefully I don't blow your speakers trying to replicate the sound from my speakers. I would feel terrible if I blew someone's subwoofer because it clipped really bad. But yeah, so let me know what you guys want to hear / what you guys would like to see in the next demo. If we do another demo, I'll set up the UMIC 1 in the same way, and we can get some awesome, you know, audio profiles running here. I think you guys will really enjoy it because I just enjoyed it. That was a lot of fun. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, David Adams with the Budget Audiophile. I'll see you guys next time. I don't want to roll long. Peace.